In this video, we'll cover how to use After Effects 3D camera tracker to insert and animate a text layer that lives inside of your video. And remember that life is truly a gift. Make it count. Let's get started and let's select our footage layer. Let's right click, go to track and stabilize and choose track camera. Now AE will analyze and solve the shot for you. It'll do 99 if not 100% of the work for you. But you can always give it an assist. You can go to shot type, and if your shot is zooming in or zooming out, you can choose variable zoom. And if you know the lens that you used, for example, a 35mm lens, go to specify angle of view. Once it's done, let's go to the effect. Let's click to select, and let's move our CTI, our current time indicator, to 11 seconds. Now, notice a little X. Those are the track points. We can increase the size. And the goal, amigos, is to generate this circular target and align it to the surface where we want to apply the text. In this case, the surface is going to be the street, the road. Now, you need a minimum of 3 points, and here AE is suggesting these 3 points. If we click on it, it selects the points. You can also click and drag, and you have this lasso to select more points. You can also hold on to Shift to select or deselect. Once you're satisfied with the points that you've selected, right click, and you have these different options. For this tutorial, let's select Create Text and Camera. And down in the timeline, After Effects created a text layer, and notice that it is in 3D space. The 3D switch is activated, and it also created a camera. Select the text layer, go to the text tool, and let's change the text to dance. And head over to the character panel. And if you don't see it, go to window and just make sure that character is selected. We're using the Museo Sans font, and the font style is 900. This is an Adobe font, so you can always find it on the Adobe font website. For the fill, let's make it no fill color. For the stroke, double click to make it a white stroke. And for the width, let's make it 4 pixels. Let's increase the font size to 250. And what we'll do is, using the gizmo, let's place this text exactly where we want it. And let's bring this layer beneath the rotor brush. And you can also hit P for the position properties. We can adjust the position here. We can also hit R for rotation. We can rotate it. Let's make it 20 degrees. And let's make sure it's in the perfect spot. Let's move it a little towards the dancer. And this looks pretty good. Let's do a RAM preview and let's check it out. Perfect. This is looking amazing. What we'll do now is animate the text. So let's move the CTI to the beginning, select the text layer. Let's drill down, and we'll use a per character animator. So go to animate, and we'll select the position property. We'll add the scale property, and we'll add opacity. Now for the initial position, for the Y value, let's move it down to 100. For the scale, for the initial scale, let's make it 20%. And for the initial opacity, let's bring it all the way down to 0. Now let's go to the range selector, and we'll use the start property to animate our text. Click on the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Let's move the CTI forward to 12 seconds, and let's make this 100%. And notice as we make it 100%, we're animating the text. Excellent. One more thing is we can go to advanced, drill down, and for ease low, let's make this 100%. This will smooth out the animation. And let's add a glow. Make sure that the text layer is selected. And let's go to Effect, go to Stylize, and go to glow. For the threshold, let's make it 0%, radius 30, the intensity 3. And for the glow colors, switch it to A and B colors. So down here, we can select the color. And for this one, let's give it a blue. And let's make this a little darker. And one last thing is, let's change the blending mode. Let's make it overlay so we can blend it a little better with the street. Don't click away. The next lesson will create geometric glow shapes for your videos.